Eliminate all habits and addictions. Unlock your potential and achieve the success you deserve. Hi, I'm Joseph of Personal Empowerment Teams and author of Legacy Portal. I'm sharing about a life-changing breakthrough which I received when I visited heaven during my 2010 near-death experience about eliminating habits and addictions. Learn how this game changer, which is used daily by billionaires and champions, yet was taken away from everyday people like us, and how we are bringing it back today. Personal Empowerment Teams is bringing back this game changer through inner circles of life coaches, friends, and trainers to inspire, equip, and empower you like the champions and billionaires you see on TV. Discover how the same empowerment system used by billionaires and champions can set you free and help you become who and what you always wanted to be. Today is my 66th birthday. Having earned $3.5 million by age 47, I combine almost 50 years of experience as a life coach and minister, plus a breakthrough revelation that I received during my 2010 near-death experience. As a birthday gift, I'm giving away 10 free 4-month courses of this life breakthrough valued at $5,000 each. Thank you for watching and sharing. Subscribe, like, comment, and claim your free 4-month empowerment course to eliminate addictions to become who and what you always wanted to be.